Up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have SLP, or a slurp love pose, and I think this is how you pronounce the coin. I don't know if I'm correct about that, but yeah. So I'm gonna leave like just these lines we had previously. What I'm also gonna do is delete this because it's just not valid. I mean, it's a great PY. Like, yeah, it's a great one, but I think that this is just a fake order block because it would just not like basically nothing happened with that. Okay, and we are going to start from the weekly time frame. So in this case, we have this weekly, the money range, this zone right here. What basically happened is after we had this training range right here that pushed the price to the downside, as you can see, after we pushed above it, in particular, this whole zone is just a great buying area, and we even kind of were pretty close to the 50%. So I believe this will be the case. And this is the weekly time frame. Just keep that in mind. Just a super high time frame. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do basically everything. Let me just where were the tools that we were using? Yeah, this is here. Like that everything of the chart. I'm even just did everything right here. The volume, no. Like we're gonna be chilling with the volume. Also they're gonna delete the rectangles. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame and I'm gonna mark up this big ass inbound that we have. It's like what you're gonna see most of the times. Why did I manage to mark this IMP? This is IMB, or just inbound. So just like that. So what you're gonna see most of the time, see, we could just mitigate the imbalance and then continue to move to the upside, or just because the market does not like these types of inefficiencies in the market. Now, what's happening right here is we broke here, so this could have been the first sign of the lack of accumulation. SC, ST, and B. Now we're just basically like what could also this have been? This could have been the P as the PS, the selling climax. This is the ST in this case, and we're waiting for that ST in B in around here. So just like that. And I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Let me just like if we can see what I want to explain. Yeah, perfectly. So I'm gonna try and use this just like that. I'm going to use it as a Y cop. So after we had this kind of training range, as you can see, after we traded below that training range, you could start to look for sales after we mitigated like one more time. Like you could look for sales at the open, but this is not how we do it. So after we refined it, as you can see, it tapped exactly into this supply area. If on the lower time frame, we even had this, as you can see, manipulation of the highs. So we can even go lower. It's kind of far for me to go in this low. Yeah, we had this breakage of that. So I believe that this is how this is going to move. Just straight back to the downside. All right, guys. This is my opinion about how this may move. Let me know what are your thoughts about that. I will try to keep you guys updated. After we mitigate any certain like okay levels in here, we're going to wait for confirmations to take the prices higher, obviously. So have a wonderful day. Peace out. Goodbye. And I will be keeping you guys updated.